Aloha mai e ko Hawaii. O iei, he maʻamau ka imi I keia mālama wahipana ma muli o ka pono e kūpale aku, a ole hoʻi pēlā kēia.
Ua hoʻai like aku nei ke ena kule ana Hawaii ka hui imi ike no ka noiʻi kālailea palapala I mo ʻŌlelo no kēia wahipana kuʻuna o Kūkaniloko.
This TCP study in their hand, in their toolbox, they can make better informed decisions on how they want to move forward as stewards and managers of this wahipana.
Ke hana like nei o Kelly mena o pio e ae he mau mea huli koe hana a mea noiʻi ma Kūkaniloko e imi ike ana mana palapala mo ʻŌlelo kahiko a pēia pū ka walaʻau a kūkākūkā me ke kaiaulu I loaʻa ka pilina a aloha I kēia wahi.
The community really places the value on Kūkaniloko, and without their mana'o being shared on why they value it, why they're connected to it, why this place is significant, we don't get that understanding from any of the archival research, from anything on the Aina through archaeology.
Ua malama aku nei o Kelly ma he hala wei hoʻopuka mana'o no ke kaiaulu ma Wahiawa.
Tonight is really important because without the community's ike and mana'o, this study would be nothing.
Ma keia wai hoʻola I kaika ia nei ka ike kuʻuna Hawaii, ulu mai ana no ka hoihoi a ka koʻo o ke kaiaulu.
It is a heavy kuleana, and sometimes it's scary when I think about it. But before this meeting today, I went to Kūkaniloko, and I acknowledged my kupuna that are there. It gives me the strength to move forward with this type of work. So if without my kupuna, I wouldn't be here doing this, but I have their support. So that's what really matters to me.
He leo aloha na hoʻi keia iaʻu koe ko ka hui imi ike no ka mālama ana I keia wahipana koʻikoʻi no. Aloha.